Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel European Fashion. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos, I'll show you trendy haircuts, hair dye and hairstyle ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts, hair colors and hairstyle ideas, trends, then watch my video till the end. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you short hairs with braids. There are a lot of formal hairstyles for short hairs. Messy bun and twisted updos, braids, bobs and waves are all on the table. You can also consider a few of the more modern like fishtail, essence, side swept or short sides with voluminous tops. Adorned with the pearl and silver pin for elegance, you may also consider a French roll for your natural bob. But if your theme is peachy or garden inspired, an airy wave is perfect. Guys, please watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any haircut, hairstyle and hair color idea. And if you want to get this hairstyle, take a screenshot of a look which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this look from any parlor. Guys, this is very informative video for you all, so please watch it till the end. I make this video especially for the girls with short hairs. After watching the videos, you guys must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos, and share my videos with your